If you or someone you know needs to get to a food bank in Snohomish County, consider taking transit. With 18 food banks across the county, there's likely one close to home. Many community transit routes stop within walking distance of food banks, making it easier to get the support you need without a car. Not sure where your local food bank is? Visit ctgo.org/foodbanks to find a local food bank near you. Know where your local food bank is but don't know how to get there on transit? Use the Plan My Trip tool on our website to plan your trip to the food bank or anywhere in our service area. Do you like talking on the phone more? Call customer care at 425-353-7433 to get personal trip planning from our team. Ready to ride? Here's some tips to know before you go to the food bank. Check to see if the food bank is open by calling or checking online. Bring a backpack or larger bag to carry your food home with you. Some food banks have home delivery or shuttle programs for people who qualify. You can see if a program like this exists near you by contacting the Snohomish County Food Coalition. Reliable, affordable transit is a piece of a network of support, helping people reach healthy food and essential services.